Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. In the world of investing, few names are as revered as that of John B. Neff. A legend in his own right, Neff was an American investor, mutual fund manager, and philanthropist who marked an era with his unique investment strategy. A true contrarian at heart, he didn't follow the crowd. Instead, he sought out undervalued, overlooked stocks, proving time and again that diamonds can indeed be found in the rough. His style, often characterized as value investing, was not just about buying cheap stocks. It was about finding true value where others failed to look. This approach was not only revolutionary, but also remarkably successful, earning him a place among the investing greats. But who was John B. Neff, the man behind the legend? Well, his story, like many of the stocks he invested in, begins modestly in a small town in Pennsylvania. Born in 1931 in Windsor, Ohio, Neff was not born into wealth. His humble beginnings are a testament to the fact that great minds can emerge from any circumstance. As a child, he showed a knack for numbers and a keen interest in the world of finance. This passion led him to the University of Toledo, where he pursued a degree in finance. Neff's thirst for knowledge was insatiable. Not content with just his undergraduate degree, he enrolled at Case Western Reserve University, where he earned his master's in business administration. It was during these formative years that Neff honed his analytical skills, learned to navigate the complex world of finance, and laid the groundwork for his future success. Upon graduation, Neff's journey into the real world of finance began at National City Bank. Here, his sharp analytical skills and keen financial acumen did not go unnoticed. He quickly rose through the ranks, impressing his superiors with his ability to make sound financial decisions and his unique approach to investment. But it was at Wellington Management Company that Neff truly began to make his mark. Here, he was given the opportunity to manage funds, a role that he handled with great aplomb. He developed a reputation for being a meticulous manager, one who was not afraid to go against the grain when he believed in the potential of an investment. Neff's success did not go unnoticed. In 1964, he was approached by Vanguard, a company known for its innovative approach to investment. They offered him the opportunity to head the Windsor Fund, a chance to truly make his mark in the world of finance. It was an offer he couldn't refuse. In 1964, Neff took the helm of Vanguard's Windsor Fund, and the rest, as they say, is history. His tenure at the Windsor Fund would cement his legacy as one of the greatest investors of all time, a financial genius whose strategies continue to influence the world of finance to this day. Under Neff's stewardship, the Windsor Fund became a beacon of success in the investment world. A tale of success and genius, the Windsor Fund flourished under the keen eye and unwavering commitment of John B. Neff. Born out of his firm dedication to value investing, Neff's management of the Windsor Fund was nothing short of extraordinary. He honed in on low price-to-earnings ratio stocks, those unloved and undervalued securities that many investors overlooked. With his discerning eye, Neff saw diamonds in the rough where others saw only coal. His ability to spot these potential winners and the courage to invest heavily in them became his trademark strategy, a strategy that paid off handsomely. At the helm of the Windsor Fund, Neff guided it to become one of the most successful of its time. He didn't just match the market, he outperformed it. For over 3 decades, he consistently beat the S&P 500, a feat that only a select few investors can claim. From the early 60s to the late 90s, under Neff's leadership, the Windsor Fund saw an average annual return of nearly 13%, dwarfing the S&P 500's 10%. But it wasn't just the impressive numbers that set Neff apart. It was his unwavering dedication to his investors. He was known for his disciplined, patient approach, willing to wait for the right opportunities and not swayed by market trends or popular opinion. He stayed true to his value investing principles, proving that patience and discipline could yield remarkable results. His success was a testament to his skill and dedication, but also to his belief in value investing. He showed the world that it was possible to achieve extraordinary returns without chasing after the latest hot stocks. Instead, he focused on finding solid, undervalued companies and holding onto them for the long haul. Neff's outstanding performance earned him a spot in the pantheon of the greatest investors of all time. His legacy at the Windsor Fund remains a shining example of what can be achieved with a clear vision, unwavering dedication, and a keen understanding of the market's intricacies. John B. Neff was not just a successful investor, he was a pioneer who dared to think differently. His approach to investing was unique, a blend of contrarian and value investing styles. Neff wasn't interested in the popular, high-flying stocks that everyone else was buying. Instead, he sought out those that were undervalued, overlooked, even unloved. He believed that these stocks, often ignored by the mainstream, held the greatest potential for significant returns. He had the patience to hold on to these stocks, waiting for the market to recognize their true value. This strategy, though unconventional, proved to be incredibly successful. Neff's approach was a testament to his belief in the value of independent thinking in investing. He wasn't afraid to go against the grain, to take the road less traveled. His successful strategy has inspired countless investors, proving that sometimes the road less traveled truly does make all the difference. John B. Neff left an indelible mark on the world of investing. His legacy extends far beyond his phenomenal success at Windsor Fund, touching lives and shaping the investing landscape in ways that continue to resonate today. Neff was a firm believer in giving back, and his philanthropy was as impactful as his investing acumen. He generously contributed to various charities, using his wealth to foster positive change. His donations to educational institutions were particularly notable, aiding in the creation of opportunities for countless individuals. Neff's investing philosophy, a unique blend of contrarian and value investing, continues to influence today's investors. His approach, which emphasized patience, discipline, and diligent research, is widely regarded as a blueprint for investment success. John B. Neff's story is a testament to the power of innovative thinking and perseverance. He will always be remembered not just as an extraordinary investor, but also as a man who used his success to make a difference.